It's time for laughs, it's time for fun, it's time to learn for everyone at Nana's Cooking Craft Corner.
Hello my little cupcakes, and welcome back to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner. And on this video I want to show you handy and cute and adorable this Zoodle machine. I don't know if you guys ever seen one. It wasn't that expensive. I bought it when I was in Arizona. It wasn't expensive, so, and it doesn't come off, it stays stuck on. There's this part here, which, see, if you put it down on the counter so it doesn't slide when you go to the work, it'll grip. I think you can see that. And the handle's right here. This part comes off. And I'm going to show you how easy, in the end, how easy it is to clean. In here, this is what locks it down. And it's as simple as this. There is a release here, right here. You push that in, and it releases this blade. Okay, and well, shove that one back. Right here, there's releases. You can push it at the back here. And there's another blade, all right? And then there's another blade right here. Okay, this is thin, spiral, and this is thick. It says ribbon cut, okay? So there's your 3 blades. Now I'm going to start with the blade. I want to show you what I'm going to do with this because for kids, I think they might really like this. That's why I thought, not only do I love the gadget, but I actually tried making the zucchini noodles, but I really liked it. You put some spaghetti sauce on, and it's just great how it kind of has a crunchy kind of taste, and the kids might like this. All right, so let's get to starting this right now. So you start off with pulling this all the way back, and you put this so it fits right in here and here. So I've already cleaned this zucchini and cut it, but I think I'm gonna have to cut it down a little more. There we go. Now I'll push this in, use that green level and lock it in. And I'll show you in a minute what the cuts look like. Okay, so look at how cool this is. This one shows, it comes like a ribbon blade. Keep going in, you push at the same time, see? And it'll cut like a ribbon. Now, I'm gonna switch the blades on you to show you the difference. Put the lever up to unlock. I wanna switch the blades. So we're going to take that out, and I'll move to, my favorite one was the thin one, but I'm going to do the thick one next. It looks like when I switch it over. What this one looks like, see, look at this. That's the thick, it looks just like spaghetti noodles. Okay. It's good, but I prefer it with the sauce. And I'm going to take this blade out, and they're all really fabulous blades, but I tried it in my spaghetti, and I'm going to show you this. I'm going to make some after. I'm going to heat up the sauce for you, and you will see what it looks like in the very end. And I kind of recommend that you heat the sauce up, do it and keep it as fresh as possible, but I'm sure it's going to last a while. So we'll put this down, do the same thing, and let's go to town. Of course, I wash my hands, just so you know. Crock pot spaghetti sauce recipe. So I'll attach it on to the end of this video. And look at how much fun. The kids would love this. It looks pretty safe. I mean, you gotta watch the blades. But to me, they designed it pretty safe for, I think a kid would have fun using this, as long as the parent was there. But I think the kids might eat this better, eat vegetables better if you use this machine. It's really fun. All right, so these 2 things come off. And I'm going to just leave that there. Matter of fact, there's hardly anything on this stuff. Now, you don't have to put water like I'm doing here, but I'm going to show you that it doesn't hurt it. Just rinse it off. It comes off that easy, this stuff. So easy. Scrubbing, soap scrubber. Use that. Rinse a little bit. Okay. Now, see, you saw how easy that was? All I got to do, wipe most of the stuff off. It doesn't take too much space. I put it right in my cupboard. I love that it's got the little section for the blades. Put that there. Put that through. Piece. Turn it on until it's tight. And look at that. What did that take me? A minute? Not even that? It was so quick to clean. So I just heated my sauce up. As you can see, it's nice and hot. Like a marinara sauce. So for vegetarians, this would be really awesome. There's no meat in here. So I'm gonna put some of this on. And look how pretty that is. It even looks really nice. So a little taste. Even my little coworker, you don't see her today, Lacey, loves this. I gave her, not with the sauce, but I gave her it raw. It's got like a crispy taste to it, but it's really, really good. I highly recommend it. So it's a healthy snack, even if you didn't want the sauce on it, to put a little bit of salt and pepper on it, some spices. Anyways, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget that bell, ding! So you can get future videos from Nana's hot off the press. So I hope to see you soon. Bye from Nana.